Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to install Vive TV on your Hisense Smart TV. This is very easy. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So what you have to do is to start by finding out where your app store is, and here's mine over here. So you just go ahead and launch your Hisense Smart TV app store, and it is going to be the same like mine because it is your operating system's app store. So once you're here, go straight away to searching the application, which is Vive. So we're going to come over here, type in the application, which is VIVE. So I can go ahead and search. Once you search, here's it here, Vive TV. I click on it once, and it's going to bring you to the installation page, where all you have to do is just to click install, and the application is going to start installing straight away to your Hisense Smart TV. Then you can go ahead and choose where you want to place it, and then you are good to go. You can launch it if you want to see.